Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'd greatly appreciate it. Have a good day. Happy January 2023. Today is the 18th, I believe, and I'm up in the Houston area around Gessner and Clay in an older subdivision. Anyways, I went out here and did an inspection on this particular chimney right before Thanksgiving of last year, and they contacted me a few days ago to come out and do the repairs that I went ahead and referenced. So basically today what we're going to do is we're going to put on a flue extension. We're going to do a crown overlay. Let's see if we can get my hand on this. A crown overlay, and we're going to put a cap on. Now what's going on with this is this particular chimney completely open. There was nothing here. We've got cracked up crown, no animal guard, no chimney cap, and so we're going to go ahead and take care of those three items. Take care of that. The big thing is the lid of the chimney cap to keep water from getting into doing deterioration to the firebox that's inside that's actually where you put your wood, where you're burning. Every time it rains, when you don't have a chimney cap keeping the water from going straight down there, it hits the back side of your firewall and it starts eroding away your refractory cement in between your joints of your fire brick, and that can cause substantial damage and potentially cause a fire hazard. So if you don't have a chimney cap, you really want to have one, either put one on yourself or hire someone to put one on, or even a better case scenario is hire a chimney company to come out and at least give you an inspection and let you know what's going on with your fireplace and what you need to do. It's very important. And now I see a lot of times where, now this one wasn't the case, but where they have some type of animal screening, some type of like chicken wire or hardware cloth or something like that on top to keep the critters out. Now that's all fine and good, but the main thing that causes damage is the water. The critters are more of a nuisance versus anything that will ultimately run you additional monetary damage later on, because they can't destroy concrete, bricks, mortar, refractory cement. Rain and water deterioration can. So if you have taken the steps to put screening on top of your chimney, you need to have someone come up and make sure that you got a proper cap. It will save you a lot of money in the long run. Also, if you're selling your house, generally standard checkoff item on the buyer's inspector, he'll flag not any houses that don't have chimney caps. So you might as well go ahead and do it anyway, save yourself some headache. This is Erik Sturm. I'm the owner of Acker's Chimney Services, and I'm going to do some video as I'm doing this repair also. This is just kind of an introductory on this, kind of a 1, 2, 3 on what you need to be aware of if you actually have a fireplace and it's a traditional masonry chimney and it's older. I think this house here is probably about 60 years old. It may not have ever had a chimney cap, but they've sustained some damage too, so something to be aware of. Have a great day, and please like and subscribe, and comments would be greatly appreciated and replied to. Have a good one.